So guys, this is another day for another opportunity. I just stumbled on a new update and I felt like I should drop it. It's ending pretty soon. In fact, it's ending in the next 2 days, so you shouldn't miss out on this. If you're seeing this video, just jump right into it. Now all you just have to do is to sign up and you'll be getting 100 USDH from the project, and this project is called W1W. I guess that should be the name. Yeah, I just stumbled on it, and that isn't just the crazy part. In fact, there is rumors that this project was seen on the Binance wallet. This same token USDH, it will be a stable coin like your normal USDT and would be pegged at $1. And the current market cap is $15 million, and that is really much, whereby the liquidity is over $220k. Now, so I think this might just be another one. No one really knows, but we should just try it out. No investments, no compulsory referral, nothing. Just sign up and you'll be getting the token for absolutely free. Then let's see what happens. Should in case there is a room for trading, you can easily trade your token. But here on this video, I'll guide you through the whole tutorial process, how to sign up and get this token for absolutely free. So let's jump right into this video ASAP. So first of all, click on the link. It will take you here. Once you come to the website, it will look just like this. Now you should click on this symbol at the top, then you change it to English, right? For you to register successfully, make sure you give your full name as it is on your passport. Give your legal name right here, your full name, give it here in case of any future KYC verification. Then give a username of your choice, give an email. Come here, give your phone number. I can just click on this icon to select your country, search for your country. Okay, then give your phone number, leave the referral code where it is, then you should click on next. You'll be asked to submit a password. Give your preferred password, reconfirm the password, enter a security password, re-enter the security password, solve your captcha, then click on submit. You can decide to use the same password for everything, after which you'll be getting this success message. Come back here and log into your account. So after signing up, that is all. Should in case yours is still on Chinese language, click on this icon to change it to English. Okay, for you to see your AirDrop, just click on this wallet. Here you will eventually see your free 100 USDH token, yes, with additional W1W token. Okay, to get your referral link is very easy. Come back to this home page, click on invites. Here you can easily copy your own referral link, okay, to invite anyone of your choice. Just as you have seen, this is how it is that simple. Just sign up and you're good to go. All right, make sure you don't snooze on this, because this project, this free token will be ending in 2 days. So if you're seeing this video right now, don't hesitate to get started. See you on the next video. Like and follow for more.